Ever wondered why your ELLIPAL isn't showing your balance? You've checked your internet, you've reconnected, you've even tried turning it off and on again, the classic tech support move, but still, nothing. That empty or incorrect balance on your ELLIPAL cold wallet can be a frustrating sight, especially when you know your crypto is in there, safe and sound. It's a common concern for users of hardware wallets, and while it might seem alarming, more often than not, there's a simple explanation. Let's dive into why your ELLIPAL might be playing hide-and-seek with your crypto balance. The first and most frequent culprit is often a synchronization issue. Your ELLIPAL, like all hardware wallets, doesn't actually store your cryptocurrency. Instead, it stores your private keys, which are the cryptographic proof of your ownership. To display your balance, the ELLIPAL device communicates with the ELLIPAL app, which in turn queries the blockchain to fetch the real-time information about your addresses. If there's a hiccup in this communication chain, or if the blockchain is experiencing congestion, your balance might not update correctly. This can be as simple as a slow internet connection on your phone or a temporary server issue on ELLIPAL's side. Another common reason is an outdated app or device firmware. Developers constantly release updates to improve performance, add new features, and, crucially, ensure accurate data retrieval from the blockchain. If your ELLIPAL app isn't the latest version, or if your ELLIPAL device itself needs a firmware update, it might struggle to properly interpret and display your holdings. Always make sure you're running the most current versions of both for optimal performance and security. Think of it like trying to play a new video game on an old console. Sometimes, the software just isn't compatible with the latest data. Now, let's consider network-specific issues. Different cryptocurrencies operate on different blockchains. If you've recently sent or received tokens on a less common or congested network, the transaction might be taking longer to confirm, or the ELLIPAL app might be having trouble syncing with that particular chain. For instance, sometimes certain tokens on the Ethereum network, ERC20 tokens, might not display immediately if there's high network traffic. In such cases, patience is key, and double-checking the transaction on a blockchain explorer for that specific token can provide peace of mind. It's also worth confirming that you're looking at the correct wallet address within your ELLIPAL app. While it sounds basic, it's surprisingly easy to accidentally switch between different wallets or accounts if you have multiple set up. A quick glance at the address associated with the displayed balance will confirm if you're viewing the correct portfolio. Finally, while rare, sometimes a minor bug or glitch can occur. If you've tried all the above and your balance is still missing, a simple restart of both your ELLIPAL device and the ELLIPAL app, followed by a resynchronization, can often resolve the issue. If the problem persists, ELLIPAL's customer support is always a good resource. They can help diagnose more specific issues related to your device or transactions. Remember, your funds are generally safe as long as your private keys are secure on your ELLIPAL device. The balance display is just a representation of what's on the blockchain. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.